Assalamu alaikum everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are safe and sound. Students, open your social studies books. Lesson number 4, Food. Students, today we are going to revise page number 19 and 20. Activity A, B and C. We will get started with activity A. Name the following food items, color the pictures, put a tick by the food you like to eat. Students, in this activity, we have to recognize the given pictures by their names. Then we will write its name and color it beautifully. At the end, we will mark a tick those foods which you like to eat. So let's start. Students, do you know which fruit is this? Is it apple? No, it is a cherry. So you will color it with color red and write its name like CHERRY, cherry. Students, do you know which vegetable is this? Yes, it is a carrot and its color is red. Now you will color it beautifully and write its name like CARROT, carrot. I know students, you can guess it easily. It is an mango and its color is yellow. Now color it with yellow beautifully and write its name like MANGO, mango. Students, this is a seafood. Can you guess it? Which animal is this? Yes, it is a fish. So color it beautifully and write its name like fish, FISH, fish. Students, do you know which food is this? Yes, it is a cheese. So color it naturally and write its name like CHEESE, cheese. You can guess it easily. Yes, it is an apple. It is an apple. Now you will color it like this and write its name like APPLE, apple. Students, now you have to guess that which food is this. You eat it in the morning in breakfast. Yes, it is an egg. So color it naturally and write its name like EGG, egg. Students, do you know which food is this? It helps to make your bones strong. Yes, it is milk. Now color it naturally and write its name MILK, milk. Students, do you know which food is this? It is made of milk. Yes, it is a butter. You take it in the morning with bread. So color it beautifully and write its name like BUTTER, butter. Students, do you know which animal is this? Yes, it is a goat. We eat its meat. So you will write MEAT, meat. Students, the meat of goat is called mutton. You can guess it easily. Yes, it is a hen. We eat its meat also. So color it beautifully and write MEAT, meat. Students, the meat of hen is called chicken. Students, I know you can guess it easily because you like it very much. Yes, it is an ice cream. So color it beautifully and write its name I-C-E, ice. C-R-E-A-M, cream, ice cream. Students, now we have to pick those food items which we like the most. First, I like cherry. From here, I like apple. Here, I like ice cream. Students, you can take those food items which you like the best. Now we will do the activity B. Complete these sentences. The first sentence is, for breakfast, I like to eat dash. Students, in the breakfast, I like to eat bread. B-R-E-A-D, bread. The second one is, for dinner, I like to eat dash. Students, for dinner, I like to eat rice. R-I-C-E, rice. The third one is, for lunch, I like to eat dash. Students, in lunch, I like to eat vegetables. V-E-G-E-T-A-B-L-E-S. Students, I like to eat in breakfast bread, in dinner rice, and in lunch vegetables. You can write your own choice here. Let's do the activity C. Where do these foods come from? Join the foods to the things they come from. Students, we have to match the given foods to the things they come from. So let's start. The first picture is of apricot. Students, in this lesson we have learned that we get apricot from an apricot tree. Now find out apricot tree from here. Is it an apricot tree? No, it's a pond. Now look here, is it an apricot tree? Yes, it is an apricot tree. So you will match it like this. Now look at the second picture, eggs. Students, do you know which animal lays eggs? Is hen or cow? Yes, hen lays eggs. So you will match it like this. Now look at the third one, fish. Students, do you know where fish lives? Is fish live in pond? Fields? Yes, students, fish live in ponds, rivers, seas, etc. So you will match it like this. The next picture is of rice. Students, do you know from where we get rice? Can we get rice from cow? No. From field? Yes, we can get rice from rice field. So you will match it like this. The next picture is of beans. Students, can you find out a bean plant here? Yes, here is a bean plant. Students, is it a bean plant? No, it's a cow. Is it a bean plant? Yes, so you will match it like this. In the last picture we have milk. Students, you can guess it easily because only one option is left over here, cow. So, as you know, we get milk from cow. Now match it like this. Now students, revise activity A, activity B and C at home. Students, take good care of your health. Allah Hafiz.